TechKid91, and I literally just got a Facebook notification. Hi, Mom. All right, so we're recording part two, and usually when I try to, or not when I try, when I commence the recording of a second part, a sequel to um, a video that's already on YouTube, I try to leave it in the state of which it was in the last, I guess, scene of my video. Alright, so what we're looking at right now in the last video, just to give you a little recap, and I know I talk a little quickly, I hope it's not too quickly, it's just part of my nature, some people talk fast, I talk quickly. If you know me personally, you also know a lot of the story behind the way I talk. It's kind of affiliated to where I'm from. Alright, but that aside, we have what we did the last time with these two command prompts was I titled this one messing around because as I initiated the record of the video, I didn't really know what I was going to do. I was just trying to take advantage of my new microphone here. I was super excited that I actually got the thing to work, or not really that I got it to work, that I thought about getting it to work with the Bluetooth here on my computer. So what we did was, to have my server up and running now, thanks so much to Zeeg. I'm going to try to give a shout out in at least, not all of my videos, because I can't do that in all my videos, I don't think. So a lot of my videos I'm going to try to give like a shout out section. In the last video I said thanks to Dr. Flynn for his great work at Frostburg State University. This time I'm just going to give a shout out to my man Zeeg, Six Zeeg. I'm not going to use his real name. Just I'm just not going to use his real name this time. So, yeah, thanks, Zeke, for the help with the OS, man. He definitely hooked me up when I needed the help with the image for Server 2008 because I didn't have it anymore. Everything I do is legal, so I wanted to at least get it right and not go torrent something and potentially get myself in trouble. Alright, so I know I just rambled a lot. I'm going to try to cut down on that a lot, at least in the intro part of my videos. So what we did was we took a directory from my local machine here and through command prompt performed an executive copy way up top here somewhere after I showed you how to get help with commands. As a matter of fact, let's just recall it. Great way to do it. Next copy and took it from my local machine and put it on my server. The reason I did that is literally because I've got a server now. It's pretty awesome. I know how to use it. It's great. And why have stuff like stored on your local machine when you can have it in your own little kind of cloud, I guess I can put it. Alright, so on from that, as we were, let me just get this out of the way. I'd highlighted these three, they're not directory, three files here, and I just want to remove them. It's probably going to be a shorter video than the last one. At least that's what I'm going to shoot for. And we are still, no, we're not in the F drive. And we're actually done with the F drive, so I can actually retitle this, or I can just close it. I'm just going to retitle it, and let's title this Z drive, or Z. Alright, we're just going to go to the Z drive now, and show you what's in there. We've got a couple directories. We're going to go to download flash, as that's where we are right here, and that's also where, let's go back up to this one here. There it is. Also where I ended up in the last video. So let's change directory and take me please to, and let's do a shortcut here. Downloads flash. The shortcut, if you're trying to get all that out without having to type anything, just as long as you know at least the first couple of letters of the directory you're trying to get to, you can just type them, you can hit tab, and Windows will cycle through every last title that has what you have in the beginning there, and it'll eventually pop up with what you want. Now, I've only had download flash. It's the only thing with a DO or a D, so that's the only thing that came up. Alright, so that's how I got there, and let's actually remove. I don't know if I can do it that way. So let's figure out how to do it. Remove is not a recognized. Alright, there's a way. Delete. Alright. Before deleting each file. And, that's the way. You're going to notice that about me, too. I don't I'm just gonna keep it real with y'all. I mess up, everyone messes up. I'm just gonna publish my mess ups, so long as I can fix it and show you how to eradicate that mistake and just get everything rolling nice and smoothly. Okay, so delete. Which parameter do I want to use? Specified. Force deleting read-only files. Not read-only file. Okay, let's just delete. Delete. Or it's a DL. Yes. Now see cleaner setup. And now you see that it's just magically disappeared. And let's actually go and that's the up key, by the way. Recalls your last um, command there. And let's see if I can knock two birds out with one stone. Yeah, two stones out with one. I'm stuttering. I'm sorry. I tried to kind of make a joke there, and it didn't go very well because it's very early in the morning and I need to get some sleep. Way too excited. Way too excited at the moment to get some sleep, though. EXE. That's not gonna work. So that's not the name of the file. C cleaner. Setup. Let's take that white space out of there. 49.exe 47. Let's see if it works. Should probably put a space. Hey, and they're both gone. So there's that. That's how you delete specific items from a directory with command prompt. I said this video would probably be a little shorter, and as a matter of fact, I'm not going to do a task kill on Chrome. I'm just thinking about new stuff to show you guys. I almost said crap again. If you know me, you know that that is probably my favorite word to use. Crap, everything's crap. Not really. Joking. Alright, so we are actually done with messing around. Actually, no, we're not. We're done with the Z drive. So let's go ahead and exit and close. Alright. I actually had this one up. I forgot what I was going to do with it. So I'm just going to close that too. Alright, just go to clear screen. And what else can I show you? Why did it do that? No. Okay. I'm lost. Don't know what happened there. I'm just going to close that out before anything gets messed up. Alright, task, kill. As a matter of fact, let's start up my least favorite application here. It's pretty cool for what it is. I mean, to me, Microsoft is taking a little bit of a hit in this aspect. Let's go ahead and kill it. Or let's show you that it's actually running before we kill it. Alright, where is it? This is all my stuff I have running right now. I got IE Explorer somewhere in there. Alright, well, it's in there. I know it's in there. Let's and that's how you close something from the command prompt. It freaks somebody out if you have server access. I can shut my machine down. I'm not actually on the server right now, so it won't let me. And I can't shut down. Let's bring up the GUI here. I can't shut down my server from my local machine because it's just nonsense. It's like a baby trying to tell its mom how to make food. It just doesn't make sense. Alright. Let's add that. We can try to shut it down. You'll see what happens. Just mess around here. Just give me a minute. And it's actually going to shut down. I was sadly mistaken. So let's actually go over to my server right now. I have it open on my iPad. I am going to go into command prompt and quickly do a shutdown/A to abort that shutdown because I do not want it shutting down. Alright, so that has been canceled. I just got a notification on my tablet through Microsoft's wicked app. That's server, well, not server, sorry, remote desktop management, and it's pretty cool that I can just hop on there and tell it that I don't want it to shut down at all. Alright, so this has been messing around slash part two of the CMD operations. I guess we can call this one, it's not Xcopy anymore. It's probably going to be uh, delete or DEL. Alright, thanks guys. I hope, my mess ups didn't really, send you a different way to check out somebody else's video or something like that. It's just the kind of way I am. It's my nature. I joke around, I mess up, and it's just who I am. I'm a human being. And thanks for watching this video. This is Tech Kid 91 out.